ZEN'S bamboo small coffee table square tatami table storage basket 2 sponge cushions living room furniture. 1. Fit small space : small table need less space. To put it.You can put it on the bed or on the floor to enjoy your food with your friend.There canvas basket. To store book, snack, stationery it.You also can put it in the bay window, when you enjoy your tea time and reading time for relaxed yourself, you can put some drinking and books on. 2. Portable and mute to function, the table and sponge cushion both lightly, so you can easy to take it to everywhere. When you enjoy your tea time you can put it in the bay window, when you stay out of the home, you can take it to garden and sit on the sponge cushion.You. You can use it as children table set, they can sit on the floor to do their homework, also they can do some homework in this table, it is easy to clean.Otherwise, you can use this table as breakfast tray. 3. Eco-friendly material: bamboo is the nature material.Panda eat.You bamboo, and we made the furniture when it was old.The cushion is made of canvas outer and sponge inner. Sponge cushion is so soft, it comfortable when you sit on it. 4. Easy to assemble: you can assemble it by yourself, and the tool is provided. It must a proud things you can make a furniture by your hand. Sturdy and horizontal surface tabletop. 5. About size: table size 19.69 asterisk 19.69 asterisk 11.81 inch, basket size 12.6 asterisk 12.6 asterisk 4.7 inch, cushion size 14.7 asterisk 14.7 asterisk 1.18 inch. The length is all measured by hand, so maybe there are 0.5 to 1 inch tolerance. Right parenthesis. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.